So I turned on the adaptive flow. My settings for my first layer I have at 240 and the other layers I had at 236. However, I'm going to assume either because the nozzle is made out of steel itself, or that's the actual temperature it should be running at, 246, because that's the temperature that the machine is running it at for this first layer, and I put it at 240. But it's throwing it out there at 246. Now last print, I had a nozzle clog, but the adaptive, the flow calibration should automatically change the temperature to keep it going. But it plugged on me. So should it be lower or should it be higher? That's the question. I'm gonna assume that whatever's in that PLA though that makes it hecka shiny might be some kind of that metallic. It's not. It's like a foil material maybe. I'm gonna assume that because of that though, I should probably be printing this at 250. So if this plugs again and I get another nozzle clog, then that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change my temperature for the first layer to 250, and then I'll do every layer after at like 248-ish and see. But I can tell from the coloring way over there that this is already kind of high anyway. But I only have the bed set at 65 because I'm doing two materials. I can probably drop the bed to 63 and see if that'll help with a little bit of coloration. However, other than that, it's printing great, and it might print good. But I'm trying to figure out that adaptive, or that flow calibration, the one you click on and off right before you send the print, the auto calibrate. So we'll see. I mean, if that's what it's recommending from the computer itself, it would make sense that would give you, that temperature would give you, like I said, a perfect print. But I had it on last time too. But I just wanted to point that out in this video, what I had and what the machine put it at with that click checked off. And last print I had a problem. So we'll see how it goes. Questions? Oh, no. Holy crap. Look at that. As I'm talking about it. What the hell? You know what? I bet you that's what it is. I bet you it's the higher temp. I'm going to do that. And we'll see what's up. I'm just going to change it in my settings and unclick the box. And then see what happens. Because if anything, it's just going to clog again if it's too high. But then if it clogs again when I put it at 250, then I'll know that it's too high and I'll try and go lower. But it also could be that it's too high already. I think I'm going to try my original settings first. Let me try my original settings first. Not that the computer's smarter than me, but I want to try my stuff first. I'm just going to go with my gut on this one and see. Because that actually happened mid-print. So it's not the cutter, not the filament cutter, because it didn't cut anything. It just stopped while it was printing. So this is going to be a temperature issue, which is weird because the yellow, the red, and the white. And the other thing is weird. I printed with the green already before. Same settings, except for I didn't have the AI thing turned on. Let me turn it off and see. I don't know. Either way. But we'll find out, won't we? Like, share, and subscribe, and damn, this sucks. Peace out, y'all, and I'll figure it out.